Hi, I'm Maggie. Welcome to Experiments in Crafting. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slipknot. A slipknot is one of the very first things that you need to learn in order to begin crocheting. Today I'm going to be using worsted weight yarn, which is a number 4 or medium weight yarn. I'm also going to be using an eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter hook. You can use any weight of yarn and any hook that's appropriate for the yarn. If you're not sure which size hook is appropriate, look on the packaging and it should tell you. Alright, to begin, I'm going to drape the yarn across the palm side of my hand. I'm going to pick up my working end, which is attached to my ball of yarn. I'm going to wrap it around the back of my fingers, bring it around to the front and cross it over my tail end, and put my thumb on the little crisscross that I just made. Then I'm going to drop my fingers out of the loop. I'm going to tuck my working end into the loop and grab a hold of the new loop that I just made and the tail end and pull tight. Then I'm going to pick up my hook, insert it into my loop, and tighten it up nice and snug. It's important that you tighten on the shaft part of your hook and not down here on the throat of the hook. All you have to do to get rid of a slipknot is to grab both ends and pull. When you're creating your slipknot, you want to make sure that you give yourself enough yarn on your tail end so that you'll be able to sew your end in when you're done with your project. If you leave it too short, it's going to be very difficult. So I like to give myself a couple of inches of yarn draped across my hand. That way I have a nice long tail to sew in at the end. I'm going to repeat this a couple times slowly so that you can practice making your slip knots. And that's all there is to making a slipknot. If you have any questions about making a slipknot, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. If you like this video and you'd like to see future tutorials, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.